Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming DIY feature videos. For this DIY, I'll be creating a slimmer entryway table inspired by New York residential windows. If you would like to find out what I created, just continue watching. For this DIY, I'll be using 9 mirror frames, and I'll start off by removing the wrappers and then removing the mirrors from the frames. Once I was done removing the mirrors, I'll be starting off with 3 photo frames and I'll place them in a vertical position. For the remainder of this DIY, I'll be using my strongest glue sticks. Next, I'll take my photo frames and I'll apply hot glue to hold them in place. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms linked below. Next, I'll be using large craft sticks, and I took my photo frames, turned them over, and I placed craft sticks to hold everything in place. And this will make it nice and sturdy, and I filled the whole frames with craft sticks. I added craft sticks in the bottom and on the top part as well, and I also added small craft sticks in between to give the frame a much stronger hold, and I repeated the same steps 2 more times for a set of 3. Because I'm not putting all the frames together flat, I'll be using these water bottles to give me an arch on the sides. Next, I'll be using 2 wooden rods that are cut to size, and I'll be gluing them in between the spaces, and then I went back with my Gorilla wood glue and applied it for a better hold. Once I applied it, I let it dry overnight. Once the glue was dry, I took it outside and spray painted 2 coats of metallic silver. Next, I'll be using cardboard out of a cardboard box, and I cut 2 pieces for the bottom base to size and 2 pieces for the tabletop to size. For my tabletop, I'll be gluing on 3 painter's sticks, and this will make the tabletop much stronger and sturdier. Once I was done, I took foam board cut to size, and I'll be gluing it on top. Once I was done with my tabletop, I used marble contact paper to cover both sides, including the edges. For the bottom base, I repeated all the same steps, only covered one side and the edges. Once I was done, I took my bottom base in my photo frames and I placed it on top towards the back side, and then I turned it around and traced my placement. Once I was done, I took my hot glue gun and went over the lines. Once I was done, I placed my frames on top of the glue, and then I turned it around and added more hot glue for a stronger hold. Next, I'll be using crystal string beads that I have from previous projects, and they cut in multiple sizes, and I'll start gluing them on the top edge of my frame. As the crystal beads are cut in different lengths, as I'm gluing them, it will look like there's icicles hanging above the window sills. I repeated the same steps on each frame. I repeated the same steps with the hot glue gun for my tabletop. Next, I'll be using Dollar Tree chopping mats, and they come two in a pack, and I turned it over to the non-glossy side, and I'll be using my mirror that comes with the frame, and I'll be tracing it. I traced one for each frame, and because I am using lighting for this table, this will make the lighting come through. Once I was done, I placed one in each frame, and because it does have little tabs on the side, it will hold it in place, and I don't have to use any glue because later on I might replace them back to the mirrors. I also added metallic washi tape to the bottom base around the edges and my tabletop edges. For lighting, I'll be using two LED remote touch lights, and all I did was glue them underneath the tabletop. For better table balancing, I went back and added 4-corner brace onto the frames. And here's the table with the mirrors on. I really do love the way this table turned out because it reminds me of those tall windows in New York City with the icicles hanging on a snowy night. And here is the table with the table mats on. Let's not forget how this table will look with the lights off. This table has a lot of shimmering and a lot of glam to it. It will be a perfect table for that special area or room in your home. I live in Connecticut now, but I sure miss New York. Those long winter nights looking out those tall windows. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I enjoyed creating it. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more upcoming future videos. I'll see you on my next DIY upload.